Alright, let's do the big unveil together.
Sir, your center. Your center? Center में आई. Center में लाइए.
Alright, let's do this together, everybody. 3, 2, okay. Who are present here. Please ask all the questions later on. For now, we would stick to the questions we have, and after we are done with the chat, you all can ask your questions.
Ma'am, excuse me, give the one picture, please. The product. Please. बाद में क्वेश्चन वगैरह पूछिए. आने दो.
ये पीछे का ना फोन.
वो थोड़ा सा ये कर लो यार पीछे से. एक मिनट वो थोड़ा रुको यार, 1 मिनट रुको. मैडम फोटो शिफ्ट कर. जिसके लिए बुलाया यार उसका तो फोटो होने दो.
सारा लुक यार.
टेबल हटा दो. एक मिनट टेबल हटा दो पहला.
सारा लुक यार. सारा लुक यार. सेंटर. सारा सेंटर.
लोग सेंटर में.
नको
मैंने सामने उसका तो सामने है ना.
नाइस. थैंक यू.
Please have a seat. Yes, please have a seat. Alright, thank you.
अभी क्या सवाल है?
थैंक यू. फोटो या.
Rapper, obviously after this I want the entire Veet team on this stage, and let's click
ये
the
चावरो
picture.
उठ मत.
Let's pause this moment for a second.
Haji.
Thank you, Sarah, for
Sarah
joining
ji.
us,
Sarah
and
ji, ma'am.
it was
या
lovely.
सेंटर. या lovely. या थैंक यू.
Thank you.
Thank
And last
you.
but not the least, let's have the entire.
I love your outfit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now there are 3 types of these products. I wanted to know what is your skin type, and if you had to choose which wheat would you choose out of these 3?
I have sensitive skin, so I think that sensitive skin is what I have to keep in mind all the time.
Okay, so I also have sensitive skin, so thank you. That's the one I pick and take home today. Thank you.
So I am shooting a film with Ayushmann, and I'm shooting a film with Aditya Roy Kapoor and other people. The film with Aditya Roy Kapoor is called Metro in Dino, directed by Mr. Basu, and by Akash Kaushik sir. I am doing the film with Ayushmann. Yeah, guys, we can give it up for that. Sir. We're all excited. Alright, I think we'll advertise if we use it more frequent. Also, there are few myths about using these products, like we get thick hair and then it is something which could cause us boils or something. So, can I know how frequent can we use this, and all these myths are busted with these products or not? See, honestly, I feel it depends on your skin type, and I think it depends on the rate of growth. So I don't really know how much I can answer that question. I can help. See, keep at it. It's an everyday process. It's a process. It's a journey, and I think that what it requires is celebration. I think you have to celebrate yourself, and you have to do more for yourself. You know, much like this brand. I think it's about being the best version of yourself. We always say that. But I would like to take it a step further and say it's about being the best version of your. Most important is why I did it. Yeah. And I think I did it because I wanted to do it, you know. I don't know if that ties into any questions previously asked. But I think that, you know, if you feel better and if you feel more comfortable, then you just do it. And I remember feeling like I had hairy arms. School time. School time. Class. If you remember. I think 9th. Oh. Yeah. And again, I think that because of PCOD, like hair growth, excessive hair growth on the body and all also becomes a thing. You know, so if you're not comfortable, like I wasn't comfortable with it and I wanted it off and I got it off.
ये अभिषेक झाकण आला होता ना माशी विशी बस
proper girl, you know, प्राची
ये क्या उसका है क्या फोटोग्राफर हाँ हाँ तो तेरा फोटोग्राफर आला
ऐसे
तो खींचा है
याद नहीं है सर सॉरी
हाँ
there was a proper girl and I just she had a little bit, you know, hair on her face actually, and lots of people had trolled her, you know. तो ऐसे लोगों के लिए, ट्रोलर्स के लिए, plus like to give the confidence to the youngsters, like, you know, what have you to say?
ऑनेस्टली मैं ट्रोलर्स को कुछ क्या ही बोलूँ क्योंकि जितना बोलेंगे इट्स अ ऑनगोइंग थिंग आई थिंक इट्स बेस्ट नॉट टू एंगेज विद देम ऑन एनी लेवल यू नो सबकी सुनो अगर उसमें आपको कोई यू नो सकारात्मक सुझाव दिखे कि चलो इसमें मैं ये कर सकती हूँ शायद मैं इसमें अगर ध्यान दूंगी तो मैं बेटर हो जाऊंगी वो सब ठीक है लेकिन अगर आपको पता चल जाता है कि कोई आपको सिर्फ नीचे खींचने की कोशिश कर रहा है अगर वो है तो आई थिंक यू कैन ओनली इग्नोर उससे ज़्यादा कोई क्या ही बोलेगा एनीथिंग दैट इज जस्ट द विशियस सर्कल ऑफ इंडल्जिंग व्हिच यू शुड अवॉइड आई थिंक
Would you comment anything?
extremely
I don't
important.
want
And I don't think people are going to
क्या
stop.
बोलते हैं
In an ideal scenario, you know, people stop body shaming and
साराला
there's
बाजूला
acceptance
घेऊया.
everywhere and everybody celebrates you.
स्टेजवर नको पण सारा
Honestly, might
साईडला
not
घेऊन
happen.
जाणार
So the only way is to find out what matters to you, which is your opinion of yourself. When you look in
Cake
the mirror,
मिळणे
I
होणार ना
urge you not to see inches and kilograms.
असं
See who
नाही,
you are, see how positive you are, do good, spread smiles, do something that makes you happy. Happiness is beauty, not size. And nobody can do that for you except you on your own. Nobody's going to say, oh, it's okay that you're, you know, chubby. You be okay being chubby. Or if you're not okay being chubby, then work out. And if you can't, then understand that, okay, you know what, maybe there's a problem and this is who I am and that's fine. I had PCOD, I still do. Sometimes it's difficult, sometimes just working out is not enough. It's a journey, but as long as you're on the journey for yourself, ups and downs will come and go and that's okay. Be your best version for you. Forget what other people say. They have no life. Yes, confidence about owning your own space.
Using this brand with your vivaciousness, your beauty, your confidence above all else. And who better than you to unveil, for the first time globally by the way, the new wheat formulation, right, for everybody. So I'd like to welcome you on stage. But before that, just before that, we want to see Sarah's filmography, sir. Just 1 second. I'll show you. The wheat film. The wheat one.
अभी बाहर कहाँ? Need to go out there. We have regrowth issues. We have razor cuts and all the pain we have to go through, which is not really worth it. But the good news is we have someone here who can feel our pain and knows the brand in and out. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the regional marketing director of Reckitt right here among us. Let's welcome Kanika, everybody. Come on. Welcome, Kanika. We are.
आने दो सर जाने दो प्लीज हट जाइए
कोई नहीं आराम से
सॉरी थैंक यू
एक टॉप लेंगे टॉप
आराम से पीछे
जाने दो हटो मेरे को
चलते क्या करते भाई देखो सीढ़ी है संभालो पीछे आ जाओ चलो एक सेकंड आराम से सीढ़ी है संभालना आ जाओ चलो आगे 1 मिनट आ जाओ चलो 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 थोड़ा भी रास्ता दे दो हो गया ना प्लीज थैंक यू केयरफुल चल यहाँ से आ जाओ आराम से लग जाएगा आराम से चलो बस करो बस थोड़ा बजाने बाय सारा जी नमस्ते